Hello, everybody. It is Monday, February 14th, 2022. Let's check out what happened with Bitcoin overnight. If you didn't see yesterday's video, you should check it out. Right here, we ended up on the 13th and Sunday. We just completed that inside bar. So we are here at the 14th. It's possible with the two math calcs I put out yesterday that we flip up today to the 17th. So we'll see if we get a reversal bar here, then we're going to go up to the 17th. If not, we're going to continue down to the 17th and then get a push back to the 20th. So the trend is up here. We have higher highs and higher lows. So we're looking for a place to get long. If it doesn't happen today, we'll move down to the 17th, and that should be the trigger to move up. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel for the week ahead. Let's check out the green line on the Astro Excel chart. I marked the general trend with the red trend line. You can see from last night through most of today, we're flatlining with the green line right on the zero line. The blue line picks up some steam later today, makes a push up as the green line heads down. We bounce down, then back up, and then sideways to down on Tuesday. We start pushing the trend up later on Tuesday into Wednesday. We've got a little blip down late on Wednesday, then we're trekking upwards into Thursday, and then we go flat Thursday at about just after midnight, about 1 a.m., and then we're basically flat through the rest of the week. Uh, the blue line hits a couple of significant pivots early in the week, and then even the blue line, as we get into the last spike here on the 16th at about 8:30 or so, after that, even the blue line is contained inside the 10 lines. So that's the trend. That's what we're looking at for this week ahead. That's it for today. We will be back again with another video on Tuesday.